Creating album covers with AI. Yo, y'all been asleep. So I used this prompt, right? But I did it on 3 AIs to create an album cover just to see. So I wanted a Tupac inspired album cover. So this was the output for. So bruh, ChatGPT, okay, they did their little something. They followed directions, kind of like it. Then I went over to Google Gemini, which is another AI, that Google got to see what their skills was and everything. It was like, kind of blah, kind of looked like Morpheus and stuff. Then I went over to Meta AI, which is an Instagram. I had to change the prompt up because I had to put Imagine in there just for them to draw. Okay, they did a little something. But then the last one, I went back to ChatGPT and went to DALL-E, which is part of them, and boom, that
I needed some rest. Want them to mention my name whenever they mention the best. Damn, it feels so good to be back. Don't want